Why do students lose marks in inequalities even after doing everything correctly? Because they think that inequalities are like ordinary equations while they are not. In fact, one tiny mistake and the whole answer becomes wrong. So here I tell you what are the golden principles and tricks and some common mistakes to avoid. The first most important rule that when you multiply or divide an inequality by a negative number, then inequality sign flips like here. Here it's minus 2x is greater than 6. So when I divide it by minus 2, this inequality sign is to be flipped now. Must be flipped. Otherwise it's wrong. Okay, so I will flip it. I will write here it's grid here like this one. Now it is x less than minus 3. X less than minus 3. So if I don't flip it, my answer will be x is greater than minus 3. That is actually wrong. This one is correct. So this is the number one mistake in exams, remember, and avoid it. The second one, when you forget to flip the sign, for example, here it's minus 5x is less than or equal to 20. So if you write here by dividing minus 5, the answer is x is less than or equal to minus 4. This is wrong. The correct answer is, after flipping the inequality, you write x is greater than or equal to minus 4. This is correct. Whenever you divide by a negative, pause for 1 second and ask, did I flip the sign or not? And if you have a fraction in inequality, like here x plus 1 is greater than 2, then a smart trick is that multiply both sides by 3 by the denominator. Here and here multiply by 3. So now this 3 is cut by this 3 and x plus 1 is greater than 6. And now everything is like equation now. Now if you move this one to the other side, it becomes 6 minus 1. So x is greater than 5. So this is your answer. And this one is, yeah, this is your final answer. And it is not a fixed value. It is a range of values, that any value greater than 5, even if it's 6, 7, 8, or 9, or 10, or whatever, they will satisfy this inequality. So remember these important mistakes or tricks while doing the inequalities in the paper. And one more important thing, don't treat inequality like ordinary equations. No, they are not. For example, here x squared is greater than 9. Here if you take square roots of both sides, you might conclude that x is greater than 3. Yes, x is greater than 3, but this is incomplete. It's not complete, because x can be greater than 3 or even less than 3. Less than minus 3, yeah. For example, here we write minus 4. Minus 4 square is greater than 9. Yes, it holds true, because when you square a negative number, it becomes 16, and 16 is greater than 9. So this is not complete solution. Complete solution is this one, that x is greater than 3 or x is less than minus 3. So whenever you take square root on both sides of an inequality, then just then remember that it will result into two opposite result into the same number with the opposite signs, just like here. Thank you. Keep on watching our videos, and contact me on preply.com for further guidance.